Welcome to Theme-Based Roadmaps. This course teaches you how to organize your product roadmap around meaningful themes and outcomes, rather than just dates and features. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to align your team around customer value and build roadmaps that are flexible, outcome-focused, and easier to communicate. A theme-based roadmap groups related work into larger themes. Instead of saying, "We'll ship this feature on this date," you say, "We're focusing on improving customer onboarding." Themes are bigger buckets that contain multiple features, experiments, and improvements. They're tied to business outcomes and customer needs, making your roadmap more meaningful and resilient to change. Traditional date-based roadmaps focus on delivery dates and specific features. They're rigid and break when priorities shift. Theme-based roadmaps focus on outcomes and customer problems. They're flexible, adaptable, and communicate your strategy more clearly. Teams understand not just what they're building, but why it matters. This approach reduces rework and keeps everyone aligned on what success actually looks like. Theme-based roadmaps offer several key benefits. First, they enable flexibility. You can adjust implementation details without losing sight of your outcome. Second, they improve communication. Stakeholders understand your strategy and priorities more easily. Third, they reduce waste by keeping teams focused on what truly matters. Fourth, they facilitate better prioritization because you're comparing outcomes, not just feature checklists. And finally, they help you learn faster by measuring progress against outcomes rather than just checking off features. To build a theme-based roadmap, start by identifying your strategic themes. These are the big areas you want to focus on over the next 1 to 3 quarters. For each theme, define 1 to 3 primary outcomes. An outcome is a measurable change in user behavior or business metric that you want to achieve. Then, assign owners and define how you'll measure progress. Finally, organize your work backward from outcomes, deciding which features and experiments will help you reach those outcomes. Outcomes are the North Star for your theme. A good outcome is measurable, achievable within your time horizon, and focused on user or business impact. Instead of saying reduce sign-up friction, say reduce sign-up time from 5 minutes to 2 minutes. Instead of improve retention, say increase monthly active users by 15%. Be specific about what success looks like. Outcomes help teams understand what they're optimizing for and make trade-off decisions more confidently. Here's a practical example. Let's say your product is a project management tool. One of your themes could be real-time collaboration. Your primary outcomes might be reduce time to shared task completion by 20% and increase team project views by 30%. Under this theme, you'd include features like live cursors, real-time notifications, and collaborative filters. This structure shows why you're building each feature and how it contributes to your larger strategic goal. Metrics bring your outcomes to life. Choose a small set of key metrics for each theme and track them over time. Tell the story behind the numbers. For example, if your metric is active users up 12% over 3 months, explain why. Maybe you reduced onboarding friction or shortened time to value. Combine metrics with narrative to show how your work is creating real impact. This helps stakeholders understand the value of your strategy, not just the velocity of your team. Moving to theme-based roadmaps takes time and coordination. Start by running a kickoff workshop with your team to align on outcomes. Provide templates and examples so teams understand how to think in terms of outcomes. Define clear handoffs between teams and schedule regular outcome reviews. Make the transition gradual. You might run both approaches in parallel for a quarter, then fully adopt theme-based planning once everyone is comfortable with the new model. Let's recap what you've learned. Theme-based roadmaps organize work around outcomes rather than dates. They're flexible, strategic, and easier to communicate. They help teams understand why they're building what they're building. Now it's your turn. Pick a theme from your roadmap, define 1 to 3 outcomes, assign owners, and schedule your first outcome review. Start small, learn from the process, and refine your approach as you go. Good luck with your theme-based roadmap journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.